In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a white outline just like this. So first of all, we're going to need some text. So let's go ahead over to the text tab on the left hand side and let's just put some on here. Now from here, what we can do is click onto the text and we can change to any font that we want. Let's put that like this. Now let's just put white outline as an example. And now what we want to do is use effects. Now first off, we're actually going to change the text color of this. We're going to change it to black. Then we're going to come up to effects and we can use this outline just here. Now by default it looks like it's grey, but to change this to any color, all we have to do is click on the little square color, then we can change this to white. We can also play around with the thickness as well by making it thicker like that, or smaller as well. But as you can see, it's really simple to create a white outline here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.